I'd also like to tell you about our super shears. These are your everyday kitchen scissors. They're awesome because they come apart and you can throw them in the dishwasher. I don't just use them in the kitchen, but in the yard and in the garage and in the craft room. They go everywhere. What I like about them is that they're not dangerous or sharp, right? Not pointed, so you're not gonna have all those danger issues there. But they are so strong and durable that they'll actually cut up all kinds of cardboard boxes, that hard plastic stuff comes in. Today I'm just gonna use them on some parsley to make some garlic herb butter and just trim it. I don't know if you use scissors to do this, but it saves a ton of time to trim your herbs right over your bowl or your pot, whatever you're putting them in. And then you don't have the dirty cutting board. So it's a really nice little time saver. And I'm just gonna trim that right up over there. Almost done. And then when I'm done, just throw them in the dishwasher.